video you just watched is a house-revealing AI video, and it's already going viral on social media. If you're in the real estate business, or you simply want to create content in niche, then this video is made for you. You can post it on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to grab some serious attention. So without further ado, let's get started. First, search for Pinterest on Google, then log into your account and search for luxury house. You'll find tons of stunning options. Just pick the one that catches your eye. Go ahead and download it. And hey, if you already have an image of your own house, feel free to use that instead. Next, head over to my Google Docs. You'll find the link down in the description and grab the image prompt from my Google Docs. Now open up Flow AI, go to Settings, and set the image and aspect ratio to 9:16. Upload your image, paste the image prompt, and hit Generate. Once your image is ready, go back to my Google Docs and copy the video prompt. Head over to Flow AI again. Just make sure you select video mode. Then set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Paste your video prompt, attach the image from generated image, and hit Generate. Here is the video. Pretty amazing, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on videos like this.